Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to find and replace in Notion. This is really simple, so I will change this. So this is how to find and replace. First thing you will have to do in order to find is click the shortcut Command F or Control F if you are on Windows. Now in this window, simply type in everything that you want to replace. So let's type in Nemo, and as you can see, it finds you all the instances where your text is found. Now in order to replace, click on replace right here, and now here type the word that you want to replace it with. Then simply click replace, and as you can see, the word has been replaced. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.